Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to use ChatGPT. As we know, ChatGPT is a brand new AI service. It can easily generate answers to your questions, and there is so much you can do with it. So let's learn about it. So, go to your browser. On the search bar, type chat.openai.com and you will be directed to their website. If you have an account already, just log in your account. And if you don't have yet, please tap Sign Up. To create your account, put your email address, continue, and put your password, and tap Continue. This time, go back to login. Type here again your email and password, then make sure to verify your email. Then continue and fill up the details for your account. Go and verify your phone number as well. Then type the code. Here, you already finished making your account. This time, just read and understand these guidelines and tap Next. Also here, you can find the ChatGPT's example, capabilities, and limitations. This time, you can type now your questions. Let's try with a simple one. I'll type here, what is technology? Okay, and there we go. We can see now the given answer given by the chat GPT. Let's try another one. I will ask, what is the importance of social media? Okay, and here it goes. It gives again the answer. Here, let's try for another. Let's have here, how about I will type here a code. And there, it gives now the answer to my question. But sometimes you may experience some trouble as ChatGPT is on high demand and a lot of people are using this one. So you may experience something that it needs to refresh and make you wait for a moment. Also, if you are interested into more advanced ChatGPT, just type this one, beta.openai.com/playground. Here, this one is a more complicated than ChatGPT because it has more features. But still, you can make use of it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.